Okay. Hi, Faria. I'm Vidya.
Nitya.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm Faria.
So, Faria, I was actually seeing your rehearsals. You are a brilliant dancer. Also, I got to know that you're nominated, this year. So, this is definitely a beautiful year for you. How excited are you, and how are you preparing for it?
I'm super excited. I think to be nominated is a really, really beautiful feeling. It's uh, it's being recognized in terms of your talent, your hard work, and a platform like Saima, I think, gives opportunities to people who are trying to make it in what they love doing.
Who are working really hard.
Yeah,
So, are you do believe that Saima recognizes such talent,
yeah.
and that's why you're here?
Yes, I know. Yeah, I think I have this love and support for Saima that is very beautiful. I just love being around these people. They're amazing.
Just a curious question. You do know you're really tall. So, do you have a complex about it, or are you really proud or happy about it?
Neither. It's a matter of fact for me. It's like I have two hands. I have a 6 foot body. That's it.
Definitely, that's right. Have you ever experienced a funny situation with any guy in your school or college because of your height where they've had a complex or, you know?
So many times, so many times. In fact, I used to think that I'll probably get married to a taller guy, but then I realized that there are not a lot of taller guys. So I don't mind short guys also. It's not that funny anymore in my life. Yeah.
I don't think it makes a difference anymore. The world has changed quite a
Yeah,
bit.
I know, right? Yeah.
And how are you preparing yourself for the coming years? You are a powerhouse of talent with your nomination and your dance performance. Is there something new that we're going to get to see in the near future?
Yeah, I hope so. I definitely want to diversify into production, direction, writing, and all of that. But yeah, that's going to take a while.
That is very interesting, guys. Now you know what to watch out for. We have Faria with some new talent, and let's wish her all the best. Thank you, Faria. See you. Bye.
So I've always been seeing who this cute guy is, right? We always have guy crushes, and I must admit, I have a guy crush on you.
Okay, should I take a step
No. I'm not that way. But how many girls have been hitting on you since you came here?
No, I'm quite nervous about my performance. I'm
Okay.
not looking at anything else, and I don't think anyone here is hitting on anyone.
Okay.
I think they're all just really excited and nervous
Right.
at the same time.
Right.
So all the hitting and not hitting and the who's who is all going to happen in the after party.
Right. Your DJ Tillu was one movie which I was like, how can this guy look good and act well as well? So
what
ca-
is that supposed to
No,
mean?
I mean, it was like a breath of fresh air when I saw you on
Thank-
screen. It was
thank you. I'm
amazing.
just messing with you, man.
Can we get a step from your song?
On
Just
the
one step.
stage,
Just
I
one
will
step.
do the whole song.
Okay.
On the stage, the whole song.
Super. So, Sidhuji, what are your future plans? Do you plan to come to Kannada? Karnatakaದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಆಸೆ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Of course, I'd love to come because
Yeah.
it is so close to us as a language.
Right.
I think it's definitely very interesting would be interesting to do a Kannada film. But I think
Right.
today there is no boundaries anymore. You know what I'm
Exactly,
saying? Cinema is
exactly.
just cinema today.
Exactly.
Right. So
Right.
of course, I'd love to come here and do something here.
Super. Sidhuji, I got to know that you were a writer
Yes,
and
sir.
then you became an actor.
Yes.
So,
No, I'm an actor. So because I'm an actor, I had to become a writer because I wanted to write for myself.
super. So, have you written any special scenes for yourself that you'd like to do in the future? Any?
No, I'm like I've written the whole film myself. So
Okay. So, looking forward to your performance on stage.
Thank
Kill
you.
it. You're looking amazing.
thank you.
What are you really looking forward to this evening?
You know, it's been many years now that we've all come together since the pandemic. So it feels lovely to be celebrating and being a part of cinema and celebrating good cinema, you know?
And as a host, what advice would you like to give me and the aspiring hosts?
Oh my God.
How do you put
have
all together?
fun. Have fun and don't get overwhelmed with what's happening. Just go with the flow, be silly, and just have fun.
And one last question. I think I'm being a little greedy by asking you this. So, can you share like one experience of yours as an anchor or a host that has left a huge impression in your mind?
Wow.
It could be from your school days, college days, or hosting
No.
any of the events.
I think when I do my talk shows, how people open up and the beauty of seeing inside a celebrity's life. And I feel very lucky they feel safe to share things with me that they usually don't share otherwise. So that always leaves a lasting impression to hold that space, you know.
And last 2 years has been quite difficult and quite different for a lot of us. We've got a lot of time to introspect and look deep into ourselves. What has changed for you in the last 2 years?
Absolutely, the one thing that is life is so temporary, and I always wanted to live in the moment. And I think the pandemic really taught me what it is to live in the moment, because it wasn't like, what am I going to do tomorrow? There was nothing to do, right? And to really enjoy this body and celebrate this life, because you never know. Very, very. So, moment to moment of gratitude.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was lovely to host you. I'm nervous. Oh God. Thank you
You're
so
doing
much.
fantastic.